Are you looking to fit larger tires? In today's video, we'll show you why the Synergy Coil Spring Spacers are the perfect solution to restore or add ride height on our project Jeep Gladiator. Before you break the bank on a lift kit to level out your ride, adding coil spring spacers instead can give you a cost-effective and easy-to-install way to help you clear those larger tires. The Synergy Coil Spring Spacers are designed to deliver a like-factory ride quality. Synergy offers these spacers up to a 1 3/4 inch lift to help level out the stance of your ride. These spacers are manufactured from high-density polyurethane and are sold as a pair. With a direct fit, installation is made simple, installing on top of the stock spring and requiring no welding or drilling. Now let's get these spacers installed on our Gladiator. Make sure you have good and tall jack stands to support the truck. When lowering the differential, make sure you move slowly. Double check everything is disconnected and not getting pulled on as the differential is lowered. This spacer goes on top of the coil and the original isolator goes on top of the spacer. Pay attention to how the coil spring is installed and mark locations on the spring and mounting locations as reference if needed. Get the ride height you're looking for with the Synergy Coil Spring Spacers. To find out more and get them for your truck, check out xdp.com or contact your local dealer.